Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 20. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin kung paano mag-upload ng user photo and government ID sa Personal Profile Management module ng BEMS app. Ang user photo at government ID ay mahalagang bahagi ng resident profile. Ginagamit ito para makatulong sa identity verification, resident validation at barangay service processing. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Personal Profile Management tile. Pagbukas ng Personal Information page, makikita sa upper part ang Profile Photo area. Dito, makikita ang current user photo kung meron ng naka-upload. Para mag-upload or mag-update ng profile photo, i-click ang Upload User Photo button. Pag-click nito, mag-o-open ang File Explorer. Pumili ng tamang image file mula sa computer, then confirm the selection. After selecting the photo, the system will upload the image and update the profile photo area. Mahalagang gumamit ng malinaw na photo. Dapat kita ang mukha ng user, hindi malabo, at hindi ibang tao ang naka-upload. This helps barangay personnel identify the resident properly. Next, punta naman tayo sa Government ID Upload section. Sa section na ito, i-click ang Choose File button. Pag-click ng Choose File, mag-o-open ulit ang File Explorer. Piliin ang image file ng Government ID. After selecting the file, makikita ang file name sa screen. The system may also show a preview of the selected Government ID image. Before clicking Upload, i-check muna kung tama ang napiling file. Siguraduhin na Government ID talaga ang image, readable ang details, at hindi mali ang naselect na document. Kapag tama na ang selected file, i-click ang Upload button. The system will upload the Government ID image and save it as part of the resident profile record. Mahalaga ang Government ID upload dahil nakakatulong ito sa barangay approval, account activation, and validation of resident identity. Tandaan lang po, after account activation, some upload functions may become limited or disabled depending on system rules. Halimbawa, ang user photo update may still remain available after activation, pero ang government ID upload ay maaaring ma-disable after activation, especially kung verified na ang account. Ginagawa ito para protektahan ang validated records. Kapag approved na ng barangay ang identity ng resident, hindi na dapat basta-basta mapapalitan ng important verification documents. Also, make sure na stable ang internet connection during upload. Kapag image or file upload ang ginagawa, kailangan ng maayos na connection para hindi mag-fail ang process. Huwag din mag-upload ng wrong, fake, unreadable, or unrelated image. Incorrect uploads may affect barangay verification and services. Sa right side help context, makikita ang explanation about the personal information page, government ID uploads, photo updates, account activation protection, and important reminders. In summary, ganito ang basic process. Open Personal Profile Management, go to the user photo area, click Upload User Photo, select a clear photo, then upload. For Government ID, go to Government ID Upload, click Choose File, select the correct ID image, review the file name or preview, then click Upload. The user photo and Government ID Upload features help make the resident profile more complete, more reliable, and easier to verify. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin ang profile locking and account activation protection. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to upload user photo and government ID in the BIMS app. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com, tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS app button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.